Hi, I'm Tracy Ingersoll from Tunnel Hill, Illinois, and today we're going to talk about Collision Drumsticks. I'm proud to be endorsed by them, and I currently use the 7A. These drumsticks come in a variety of sizes, depending upon what your needs are. These work perfect for me. I love the way they have really good rebound off the heads. I like how they feel in my hands, and they're very durable. They are my go-to stick. So wherever I go, Collision goes. I'm a drummer for Shawn Mayer out of Nashville, Tennessee. I do her local shows as a duo, and I've got some clips for you of us playing together. The first one is an original that she did, and she collaborated all of that in Nashville. I had nothing to do with that, but I sure enjoy playing her originals when we're out and about. And then a couple of covers that we've done and put together for you. So if you get a chance to follow Shawn, I highly recommend you do. I think you're going to like her. Hey, get your Collision sticks. All right.